What if they could earn commissions by just sharing a platform? Every time your friend opens or closes a trade, you'll earn passive income. Hi guys, Yang here, and today we'll talk about Tuvest, a platform that's combining DeFi trading, football prediction games, and pre-IPO tokens all in one place. Guys, marami na namang bagong features dito sa Tuvest, and I'm so excited to share here in this video, in this channel. And you know that we are continually posted videos about Tuvest because this is a new platform, guys, where you can trade or buy or sell your favorite assets or even US stocks. First of all, Tuvest has experimented a new commission model this is applicable for calls content creators or those who have big community on Telegram and YouTube, because every time your friend opens a trade, you'll earn 50% commission, and every time he closes a trade, you'll earn another 50%. That means you'll get paid twice for every trade. Paano naman kung isang ordinaryong trader ka lang? Paano naman guys kung wala kang community? Don't worry, because you don't need to have big community. You don't need to be a content creator to earn commissions from Tuvest platform, because we also have a 10% commission model for those traders who invited their friends, where their friend register an account using their link and trade on this platform. You guys will earn 10% commission. That's for every friend you refer. Okay, so kung marami ka nga guys referral, kahit hindi ka content creator, kahit hindi ka calls, you'll earn additional commissions. At kung marami kang referrals, mas malaki nga guys yung rewards na makukuha ninyo by your friends transaction volume. Ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin yung bagong feature. Una ay yung Predict. Alam nyo naman guys, napaparating na yung World Cup 2026 na gaganapin sa US. So, uso ngayon ang Predict and Trade. Ano nga ba ito? Paano nga ba ito nangyayari? Anong gagawin natin dito? Simple lang guys. Kung mahilig ka nga sa mga sports, sa football, pwede nyo itry guys yung Predict and Trade dito sa Tuvest. May mili lang kayo ng team. Iti-predict nyo lang kung anong team or kung mananalo ba yung team sa sports nito. For example, dito guys, will Spain win the FIFA World Cup? Yes or no lang. So, meron naman dito parang percentage like this one, 84.25% ang nag-predict na hindi mananalo yung Spain. 10.75% lang ang nag-yes na mananalo sila. And yan, meron din dito ibang country like France, Brazil, Argentina, Germany. You only need to pick one. If they will win, just click on yes. If you think that they will not win the World Cup, click on no. So, I think madalas dito guys, karamihan mas mataas yung rate ng nag-no kahit sa iba-ibang country. Marami pa dito guys, click nyo lang yung number 2, iba-ibang country na yung nandito. If you think your country like Spain will win, click on yes. Kung tama guys yung prediction ninyo, syempre kikita ka dyan. Maganda to guys sa mga may community na, existing community na mahilig sa mga sports and football, kasi mabilis yung engagement ninyo. So World Cup is coming, I think 32 days more and it will start. So better to predict now and see if your chosen country will win. And if they will win, then you'll earn rewards from Tuvest. The second feature naman nga guys ay yung pre-IPO. So what is IPO? It's like ICO or pre-sale, where you can get early access from tokens before they fully go public. Okay? But the good thing here in pre-IPO is that Tuvest features two of the most talked about companies in the planet. These are SpaceX, OpenAI, alam nyo na yan guys, yung ChatGPT. If you're into AI tools, you know that Anthropic, OpenAI, SpaceX are huge. And this is the good thing here in Tuvest, because they're giving early access to those users who want to position themselves before these tokens go public. Okay? At hindi lang yan guys, kapag nag-participate nga kayo sa pre-IPO or any tokens here, you can also get additional airdrops from Tuvest itself. That's a win-win for users who participate in pre-IPO at the same time earn airdrops. Kung airdrop hunter ka guys or call ka, mention nyo lang guys yung SpaceX at OpenAI. Share your link, referral link to your friends or other groups. Ayan, mag-skyrocket yung engagement nyo guys. For sure maraming sasali dito dahil malaking companies to. Just choose your preferred asset like OpenAI and yan, makikita nyo dito guys, $1,832 yung price ng OpenAI sa USDT pair. So, what if mag-live na siya? What if marami na yung mga kaalam? Mag-skyrocket yung price ni OpenAI. The same goes to other tokens here like SpaceX and Anthropic. Lalo na tong Anthropic guys kasi gamit na gamit siya ngayon. Yung Claude, if you're familiar with Claude, yan. Aside from these features guys, magkakaroon nga din ng games or Tuvest will launch games here in this platform so users can easily play, engage, and at the same time earn additional rewards in this platform, Tuvest. Gusto ko talaga tong Tuvest kasi nga pwede ka mag-trade kahit $2 lang. Hindi mo kailangan na mag-deposit ng malaking amount para makapag-trade because you can trade your chosen tokens for as low as $2. At guys, huwag nyo nga din kalimutan na sumali dito sa Tuvest official Telegram chat. Yan, marami silang mga activities where you can earn dollars or USDT. So, join this platform, their official Telegram channel or group chat. I will include the link in the description box so you can easily join their chat. And if you guys have questions, don't forget or don't hesitate to comment down below and subscribe to this YouTube channel as well. See you next time. Bye!